So 1,400,000, yeah?
1,004,000.
1,004,000. This is 5 lakh, yeah?
Yes.
And this is another 5 lakh.
Yes.
So 1 million.
And 4. And 10.
For which one?
No. This is 1,010,000.
Okay. So 1,400,000, yeah? 1,400,000 টাকা জিনিস কি? 4,000.
কঠিন ব্যাপার।
Yeah, 6,000.
This 6,000, yeah? Okay, 6,000.
Okay.
And can you give me 6,000, yeah? So how much? How much price is that?
$29,500.
Okay, no problem. Thank you very much.
Tay হবে? হবে না?